damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Thursday evening for northern New Jersey and eastern Pennsylvania. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 3:30 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Cumberland, Lehigh, and Northampton. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Berks County and eastern Pennsylvania, Lehigh County and eastern Pennsylvania, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:07 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm. The storm was near Wareham Acres, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. This storm is capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near New Tripoli around 3:20 p.m., Kutztown around 3:30 p.m., Lyons around 3:35 p.m., Flossville and Upton around 3:40 p.m., Ancient Oaks around 3:55 p.m., Amos and Allentown around 4:05 p.m. Severe thunderstorms have been producing large hail up to quarter size so far today. Stay away from windows. If time allows, put automobiles into a carport or garage. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Thursday evening for northern New Jersey and eastern Pennsylvania. A severe thunderstorm watch also remains in effect until 10 p.m. Thursday evening for Delaware and northeastern Maryland and southern New Jersey. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks and Lehigh. The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for